sushi. Then I want sushi, hop in the car, and he goes, tell me, if I get this car, that means you're my luck. We go back to the dealership, and the guy was sitting there, he was serious. And Dad was worried. Dad told me in the car later that he was worried that he wasn't going to get the car. He sat there for a while, and the guy explained all the details. And after a while, he said, got the car. And my dad goes, nice. Got back inside our old raggedy car to get it ready for trading. And he said, you bring so much luck to me. And I said, that's right. Anyways, the moral of the story is I kept joyous because I really wanted my dad to get the car. So that means I enjoy it and only and anything can happen. My dad was happy that day when he got his car and he expressed to me, you're my luck, you're my joy. And I was happy because that's all I wanted to hear. Fast forward a few years later, back in church, and it's GBY Productions. If everyone knows my dad, he's always rocking his camera, he's always recording his locals and put up his cameras here and there, and his lights there and there. And everyone's seen it. And he explained to me, I want a big van with all this equipment in it, and I want a big drone. I want a drone that can fly over the church and take a, I don't know, story of it. And I go, sweet Dad, if you want to do that, we're going to do it. And he said, but when I'm gone, you're going to be the next producer, so I have to teach you. And I go, oh no! I don't think that's right. But you know what? It was a natural inheritance of mine. So now I am here with the camera. And Dad, I'll buy you a big bag full of gear. Anyways, the moral of my honey mom is that Dad taught me that whatever happens in life is to be joyous. And as his favorite, I will continue to be joyous whatever happens. And right now, I am so full of joy. And my dad gets to meet his maker, and he's been serving for how long? For all his life. And he gets to meet the person that raised his life with Mom, with us, with Chad, Daniel, and TJ, with this local, with all his friends, all his family. Thankful and I'm joyous that Dad is his maker. And he gets to see us now, wherever we go. Thank you, Dad, for serving through God, teaching us to praise and glorify Almighty God. Thank you for working endlessly to provide for your families, your church, and everyone around you. Thank you for being the best husband to Mom, for loving her and caring for her. Thank you for defining what love is. Thank you for being the best father to me and my siblings and to everyone you have raised. We were so blessed to have our number one supporter to be our dad. With this iconic camera capturing all our moments, there is no and will be no man quite like you. Thank you for all our memories, Dad. From long discussions of the most random topics and taking me inside from the car when I was asleep to giving me driving lessons and yelling at me when I didn't get it right. Thank you for being around to my home and being my blessing. We'll take care of Mom, we'll take care of yourself, we'll take care of all our family, and we'll take care of each other, Dad. I won't miss our long talks. And I'll miss listening to you pray. Love you. Your mother,